Assalamu alaikum. You've reached the final video in Yaqeen Institute's mini-series, Proof of Prophethood. We've covered a lot so far in just 4 short videos. Let's take a few minutes to recap the most important lessons we've learned so far. Can you remember some of the ethical reasons for believing in prophethood? We mentioned these in videos number 2 and 3, but we'll review them again now. Number 1, believing in God's messengers is directly linked to believing in God. To deny any of his messengers is to deny God's words, since he declares who the prophets are. Number 2, accepting God's message, including his declaring prophets, is necessary for validating one's goodness before God. Number 3, knowing what constitutes good and evil is learned through the prophets, who learned directly from God. Number 4, likewise, believing in monotheism, Tawheed, is also learned from the prophets, who learned directly what Tawheed means through divine revelation. Number 5, similarly, if one wants to know God, including knowing more about his attributes, miracles, signs, mercy, and so forth, one would have to have a strong belief in the prophet, who would ultimately be the one teaching these concepts. We also covered some reasons prophethood was necessary. For example, some of the benefits of prophethood include reform, justice, spiritual guidance, and peace. This brings us to the end of this course. We hope you found the information presented helpful and enlightening. Assalamu alaikum.